Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So today I'm making a video on HTML. So hoping you like my this video series. I'm hoping that you will follow my all the HTML tutorials and it will help you to learn HTML5. So let's start our tutorial. So what is HTML? HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and you can see so HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. You can create amazing web pages using HTML. It's one of the popular language all over the world. Lots of web developers use HTML to create amazing kind of web pages. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So HTML describes the structure of a web pages. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the contents. HTML elements are represented by tags, and you have to use tags when you are learning HTML. So HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the web pages. So this is the features of web pages. This is the feature of HTML. So when you are creating web pages, in that time your HTML web pages will help you. So you can see the history of HTML here. You can see there are lots of history. So first of all, the HTML learns in the 1991. From the 1991 to 1999, HTML developed from version 1 to version 4. This was the first stage of HTML, and in the year 2000, the Worldwide Web Consortium W3C recommended XHTML 1.0. The XHTML syntax was strict and the developers were forced to write valid and well-formed code. In 2004, W3C decided to close down the deployment of HTML in favor of XHTML. In 2004, WADWG Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group was formed. The WADWG wanted to develop HTML consistent with how was used while being backward compatible with older versions. So in 2004-2006, the WADWG gained support by the major browsers. In 2006, W3C announced that they would support WADWG. In 2008, the first HTML5 public draft was released. So now we are using HTML5, hoping in the future they will launch another latest version also. So in 2012, WADWG and W3 decided on a separations. Okay, so this is the history of HTML. So now we are using HTML5. So what is the most interesting new APIs in HTML5 are? So hoping you understand, you already know about the API. I will talk about the API in the future videos. So today I'm just talking about the interesting new APIs in HTML5 HTML geolocations, HTML drag and drop, HTML local storage, HTML application cache, HTML web workers, HTML SSE, and we'll discuss about it also in the futures. And hoping that you understand about the HTML. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the future we'll discuss about HTML5, and I'll teach you how can you learn the HTML5. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I'll meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.